actually wasn't going to do this, but hey everybody, it's Desiree, and today we're going to do a little something different. I'm going to stand through the whole video. Yep, and we're just going to go like this. Interesting. No, it's okay, I got a box. This is another subscription that was sent to me for free, and I thought I should show it to you guys. It's called Her Fit Club. It's fitness, beauty, and fashion. Now they do have several different things, like different boxes. They have the mini fashion fit box that's $28.99 a month. You get to pick either a sports bra or full coverage top or full length athletic leggings or capris. And you also get one small lifestyle gift. Don't mind my hair. It's doing whatever it's doing. There's another one. It's a fashion fit box. It's $54.99 a month. It comes to 1 to 2 sports bras or full coverage top with matching athletic bottoms. One small lifestyle gift. Then they have the Beauty Fix box, or the Beauty Fit box, my bad. $64.99. It's a bath and beauty box. It's got bath bombs. It's got organic beauty body lotions, face masks, body butters, and more. So, you know, if that's more what you're looking for, then there you go. There's also the Move Fit box. $74.99, and it comes with workout equipment. So it's probably like dumbbells or I never can remember what they're called, but they're the little stretchy bands that you can stand on and, you know, work it out. Just work it out, girl. Or those other stretchy bands that's got the handles. Probably something like that. I'm not sure. I didn't get any of that I know of, because that box doesn't feel that heavy. Alright, let's see. And the last box they have is the Premier Fit box. It's for $149.99. You get a full outfit, so that means you get your workout pants, sports bra, a full coverage shirt. You also get, I'm not sure what kind of running shoes these are. It's ASIC. I'm not sure about that. I'm a Skechers Nike girl, so. Bath and beauty products, workout equipment, and there's more. But that's all it comes in that box. So, I mean, that's a pretty good deal if you want to get a new pair of shoes every month. I didn't see anything on there where you could skip months, which, for something like that, I'd figure that'd be like every 3 months. I could be wrong, but that's what that last box sounds like to me, because who wants a new pair of shoes every month? I mean, I'm a shoe junkie, like I'm a lipstick junkie, and I don't want new shoes every month because then you gotta break them in. Alright, we have the, it says it ships 1 to 2 days after you make your first initial order. After that, it ships on the 12th of the month, and there's free shipping. So that's always a plus with us getting subscription boxes. It's getting that free shipping, right? Alright, let's break into this bad boy since I just rambled for about 4 minutes. But the box looks like this. I've already cut the tape. And we have a sticker. Guess my orders get more stickers. That's kind of neat. There's all this stuff in here. I will set this down here so I can pick it up. There's a reason why I'm standing. You may ask. No, I'm not trying none of this on. I'm not happy with my size just yet. Alright, this is... Ooh, that's cute. What size is that? Ooh, it's in a large. This is a full-size shirt. It's like full-size workout shirt. Also comes with a hoodie. It's very, very see-through. So if you're going to the gym, make sure you are going with a sports bra. Ladies, don't go to the gym braless. This thing's bouncing around just ain't good for anybody. It can cause some man to actually drop some weights on himself. Anyway, that's pretty nice. Pretty cottony feeling. It's got some stretch to it too. That's great. Because I have a habit of shrinking clothes. At least that's what I want to say. Alright, there's a sports bra in here. It's got some padding in it. Oh, look, it's already got my tissue paper in it. Hold on. Oh, right? Alright, let's see, what do we got going on here? And this one is in a large, extra large. Whoop. Okay. But also has where you can take the padding out if you don't like it, or, you know, I like taking the padding stuff out on my bras if I can before I wash them, even if I'm throwing them on hand wash or gentle cycle. There is a zipper in the front and zips all the way. Awesome. So when you get home and you're done being at the gym, you just go, just let everything fly. You don't even have to take the whole bra off. Just hopefully nobody's around. It's got a cool little design. It's nice and stretchy. You know, ain't bad. I like it. And we have, this must be full-length pants. They have a little design thing on them. I guess it's supposed to match. Can you feel those rivets? You might be able to feel some of those rivets. It's on the inside and outside. Oh my gosh. I just seen this. This one. You be exposing some skin there in a gym if you haven't already. These ones are a large. Not bad. Feel pretty sturdy. Awesome. We'll give it a go. And looks like we got a bath bomb. It's a fizzy bath bomb and groovy. You know, like groovy man. Should have done that with my groovy sunglasses. Never mind. It's got sunflower oil in it. Shea butter and citric acid and sea salt. I don't really smell anything, but it's blue and purple, so that's pretty cool. I don't take baths. I keep meaning to actually do that moment where I can lay in the bath and be like, pfft. I don't care what's happening outside that door, but I'm mom and that's not how it works. I'm not sure what the heck this is, but okay. Somebody down below probably can tell me, but it's a little string thing like this. I thought maybe it was like a bracelet or something. I don't know what it is. But got little beads on it. Well, that's neat. Somebody tell me down below what that is. I was not planning on doing this, but I might as well. Alright, this is that shirt. And it's got a cute little hood. The shirt fits pretty good. So this is a good size for me. I did gain a little weight from some of the medications I've been on. And basically sitting around the house being depressed. But the hood goes up there pretty good. And the hood's very lightweight. So, I mean, you just don't feel like doing your hair that day before you go to the gym. Throw the hood up there. As for the pants, I found out what mid and high compression is by looking it up, and that was one of the questions they asked me, was that And I got mid compression, so it goes apparently midway and only compresses a little bit. Oh, my belly's growling. I don't need all that. These pants are a little tight. They're causing a little moose knuckle situation. I should have probably went up some sizes. I don't remember what the sizes were, but I don't know how much of this you guys can see because I can't even see me on the viewfinder. So I'm hoping this recording just properly. And the moment of dread. We're going to take it off, ladies and gentlemen. Cover up the kids' eyes. It's like one of those Baywatch speech scenes. Alright, don't look at my fat belly or my scar. We're not here for that. It is a sports bra that we're here for. I could have went up a size. Yeah. Don't try to zip this when you first put it on because it's kind of a pain in the butt. Especially if you end up with the wrong size. But I plan on getting this weight back off before we hit the brimstone. But other than the sizing being a little bad, I like the shirt. I'm going to find something so I can wear the shirt today. It's really not that bad. This is weird. I feel naked. Let me know what you guys think of this box. Would it be something you'd be interested in? I mean, you can go check them out on Cratejoy. They also have their own site you can go to. And if you know somebody that's into fitness, this might be the perfect box for them. Just, you know, kind of let them know. And I will see you all later. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Send me a like. I just got half naked on here. And leave me a comment that is nice. We want positivity on this channel right now. And I will see you all later.